Dear parents, for the past few months, we have been introducing your children to artificial intelligence, not just in theory but also in a very practical way. Our goal is to prepare them for the future by showing them how AI can become a helpful partner in their studies and daily life. Now, we are moving to the next step, teaching students how to use AI responsibly and with balance. Just like we use a calculator to check sums or the internet to search for information, AI is another tool. It can explain a tough concept in easier words, help organize study schedules, or even guide them in writing ideas. But balance is the key. We are guiding students that AI should never replace their own thinking, creativity, or hard work. It is there to support learning, not to do the learning for them. For example, they can ask AI for guidance in solving a math problem, but they still need to try solving it themselves. They can ask AI to explain a science topic, but they must read, understand, and practice on their own. We also focus on teaching them values like honesty and responsibility. AI should never be used for shortcuts or copying answers, but rather for developing understanding and improving their skills. Through this approach, your child will learn to make AI a friend in education, one that saves time, clears confusion, and builds confidence, while keeping their own efforts at the center. We are also sending the MCQs test links as a work test before the first term exam, which will help them to practice more and more simple questions, and they can check their for paper right after submitting the test. We are introducing this approach for the students so that they can check their butt and feel their studies more interesting and overcome the boredom of exam preparations. As well as a parent, your feedback is valued for future development in the use of AI in academics. Together, with your support, we are shaping a healthy and balanced way for students to benefit from technology in their academic journey. Thank you for trusting us with your children's learning.